multi-generational living, ADU units, casitas, in-law suites, next-gen living, whatever you want to call it, you're trying to accomplish having either one of your family members live on your property without living in your property, if you know what I mean. Now, the great news about doing this is not only is it going to save, if you're bringing in your in-laws, to save on assisted living costs and to make sure they're cared in the right way, but you're also going to be making the very best improvement in terms of a return on investment into your home. The National Builders Association just came out and said that for a $50,000 ADU or in-law suite, you're seeing about $100,000 in value added to your property. So that's the great thing, is you can actually do something to help out your family while also helping out the value of your property. Now, awesome new construction programs that have come out are here to help accomplish that dream and goal. You can finance up to 90% of the total project costs in most of these cases. For more information, just send us a DM or contact us at the phone number below.